A small boy named Ollie walks alone on a quiet street. His clothes are old, and his shoes have small holes. He looks at other children going to school, carrying bags and lunch boxes. Ollie stops and smiles sadly. He also wants to stud. Ollie works at a tea stall every morning. He cleans tables and brings water. People come and go, but no one notices the little boy's tired eyes. He earns only a few rupees, but he keeps them safe in his pocket. One evening, Ollie sits near the road, counting his coins. He whispers, "One day, I will buy books." His voice breaks, and tears fall on the dusty ground. He wants to learn, but life pulls him away from his dreams. A kind teacher passes by and sees Ollie crying. She sits beside him and asks softly, "Why are you sad?" Ollie tells her everything, his work, his dream, his empty pockets. The teacher holds his hand and smiles with hope. Next day, Ollie gets a school bag, books, and a chance to study. He cannot stop smiling. His life is still hard, but now his heart is full. Because sometimes, one small kindness can change a whole world.